You want to make sure your current comp in the timeline is 3D lighting. You have two spotlights. One is lighting most of the scene, and one is from above, and it's lighting down onto the scene. So we want to select Spotlight 2, and we're going to actually keyframe Spotlight 2. So here's Spotlight 2, and we want to keyframe the point of interest on the first frame. And then we move the CTI to 2 seconds. We want to change the point of interest to 900, so point of interest X 900, Y 400, and Z 00 once again. Now we're going to move the CTI to 4 seconds. And we're going to change the point of interest settings to 400 for X, or negative 250 for Y, and Z00. Now you want to move to the last frame, and you want to change the point of interest settings to 640 for X, 333 for Y, and 0 for Z. And now, if you come over to the beginning, Command S, press your spacebar, and you have a nice sweeping spotlight. Make sure you've saved that, Command